After we have our hypothesis, we can visualize our conceptual model. We know in this research whether people want to buy the product or not is our dependent variable. So I will name it as a purchase intention, and this is our dependent variable. And besides that, in the previous research, it shows that awareness of sustainability may be related with their purchase intention, and also perception of the brands. And these two are my independent variables. So I'm going to look at the relationships between awareness of sustainability and purchase intention, the awareness of perception of brands and purchase intention. And my conceptual model needs to match my hypothesis pretty well. So this is my H1 and this is my H2. And besides that, I can also introduce the demographic factors as moderator. And the moderator means in the future, suppose we find H1, it is not significantly relationship. So awareness of sustainability is not significantly related with purchase intention. We can use the gender as the moderator or age group. And perhaps we will find, for example, like this. The generally purchase intention, we put it as the Y variable, purchase intention here, and awareness of sustainability AS here as the independent variable. So independent variable is always on the x-axis, and dependent variable is always on the y-axis. And if I find that there is no significant relationship, so for men, I use the blue color. It shows like this, the points. So yes, there is no significant relationship. It's not related. But for the females, it's a different situation. It could be like this. There is a significant relationship. So if we put males and females together, it is not significant. But if we use the gender as the filter, we can find for the male it's not significant, but for the females it is significant. And in this case, we say that the gender moderates the relationship between awareness of sustainability and purchase intention. And the same you can use to apply that income level, age group, educational level to see whether these demographic factors moderates the relationship between independent variables and dependent variables. And pay attention to it, the examples that I give it to you, that moderators usually are categorical variables. And besides that, it could also happen like this. Awareness of sustainability is not significantly related with purchase intention. But we find there is another variable, perception of sustainable products. The awareness of sustainability is related significantly with perception of sustainable products, while this one is further related with purchase intention. And in this case, we call this variable is mediator. That means the independent variable, awareness of sustainability, and the dependent variable, purchase intention, is not directly related. However, that perception of sustainable products mediates the relationship between these two variables. And for the mediators, usually it is a numerical variable. Okay, so this is about how to visualize your conceptual model. And your conceptual model will guide you to design your questionnaire survey. And then you need to go to the next video.